Hi guys, welcome to my space. My name is Ashiesh Shah. I'm an architect and interior designer based out of Mumbai. Design to me is a sacred process that allows me to connect more deeply to what I want out of a space. There's no right or wrong in this avenue, just better options and fits. When designing the architecture of a space, it's very important to keep in mind a few things: functionality, materiality, color, form, and this is an amalgamation of all of it that makes a perfect space for me. One product I recently discovered that ticks all my design boxes and I keep on going back to is a VOX range of Soffit ceiling panels. Ceilings are as important a part of design as walls and floors and sometimes overlooked, but they can tie up a space together very well as give it the finishing touch. I love using VOX because their range and styles can cater to any design and fit seamlessly to the chosen tonality of the house. These panels are great because apart from giving me the aesthetic value that I need in a space, they're completely maintenance proof for my clients. They're weatherproof, waterproof and termite proof. Moreover, these panels are also fire retardant and so they help in the safety of your house, which is really important to me. VOX Soffit ceilings prove to be a long-lasting alternative to a typical wooden or gypsum ceiling. Time is key to finish a project and it's amazing how this product is really quick and easy to install. I really enjoy experimenting with this product and now you too can source this product exclusively from VOX Interiors.